Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix an InvestEngine account that is locked or disabled. First, understand that this usually happens after multiple failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or security checks triggered by the system. If this happens, wait a few minutes and try logging in again using the correct credentials. Next, check your inbox in email for any messages from InvestEngine. The platform often sends a notification explaining why the account was locked and what steps you need to follow to restore access. If your account was locked due to incorrect password, use the forgot password option to reset your password and unlock your account. You may also be asked to verify identity, so you'll have to enter a verification code or confirming personal information. If your account is still disabled after these steps, contact InvestEngine customer support and provide the requested details so that they can review and unlock your account. That's how you fix an InvestEngine account locked or disabled. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.